What's up, guys? AGS Platinum here from the Palazzo, Las Vegas, Nevada at the very brand new Buffalo Lightning Link, the old double jammy here. We got $700 in. I'm gonna take some pokes at it. Hopefully gonna do whatever it needs to do. Let's spin, let's win. Ladies and gentlemen, Buffalo Lightning Link. It's a super grand too. Whoops, excuse the voice. It's been a long week. Long week filled with fun. Shout out to absolutely everybody. What a great time this has been as usual. Got to meet a lot of people for the first time finally. Got to jam with some people from the old crew from last time. Just always fun, core memories. All right, here we go. $702.25 and what am I doing to spin here? Let's do $10 spin. Spin swing. It's a good start. $84 there, ladies and gentlemen, for the first spin 8-timer there. Yeah, look at that, back to backs, not bad. Not bad. Here we go, all the way. Look at that background. I would sit right there, like, see that? See this picture right there? Yeah, right there. Just watching a thunderstorm, right? Smoking a nice joint and taking off. Oh, I forgot about those. Yeah, that'd be nice. Cool, they're Lightning Buffalo. You guys see that? How cool is that? All right, I get it. Look at this. Fun. Very fun. Very good stuff. Good morning. Uh-oh. Come on, let's get some life back in this bad boy, huh? You still need 8, huh? That's a lot, man. You gotta cover half the friggin' screen. Oh, I like that there was no show for the coins. Like the boom, boom, and then it'd be like the press after. Just let it happen, man. Let it happen nice and naturally. Let's be surprised. Element of surprise makes it so much better. Yeah. Now there's 3 of these here. Did I pick the right one out of the 3 or 4? What is this? Don't know. Good start. 6 right in your face, right on the first 2. Unbelievable. Come on, let's get that 8. Let's. Start. All right. It happened. Let's see. This has to make something happen because we're down. So, all right, come on, feature. Let's go. Loud and proud. There's a retrigger. All right. It's a good start. Let's get 70 freaking games now. All right. That's enough. One more. Well, don't give me dead spins for this, right? One more. All right. A lot of dead spins here. Okay. That made up for the last 5, I guess. This is not good. There we go. 3 of them. What does that do? All right, you get more. You get 8. Okay. It didn't give me anything yet, so we're even. This is what it should be doing. Yeah. Come on, man. Drop the friggin' 8th one. 7. Imagine? Come on. We got this. 26 free games. You gotta show something for this right now. This is... Come on. For the Kings? What a waste. Come on. We haven't hit triple digits on 26 free games. I find that hard to believe. Come on, Buffaloes. More Kings here. Oh, this is a hard one to pop, I guess, huh? Really? 26. I was so excited. A lot of re-triggers here. 3 coins at one point. 9s. That's our best hit right there. Now that would have been the time, instead of just giving me 7, coin me. That was horrible. For 26 games? No way. No way, Jose. Shout out to all the Jose's out there. Never done that before. Oh, man. Well, I guess if it could be nice, it would be. But that was the chance of a lifetime with 26 free games. I really thought we were going to... I thought I was going to maybe sneak a hand pay in there. I did. Deep down inside, I did. So that was very upsetting. That's all right. It's not over yet. I do want to get the Buffaloes. I do, because they look awesome. Blue, they're blue. Yeah, a little moosey mooser. There he is. $25 all the way across. That's it. All right. Whatever. To each his own. That's it. Let's sing loud. Let's put the music on even louder than we had it. That's smart. Good thing it's not Mariah Carey like before. My goodness. All right. Come on. Can we get it once on the low amounts? Come on. Let's do it. What are we doing? $10? I'm not doing more than that. No way. I'm not going to run this through, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to pull it with like a couple hundred left. I just want to try to sneak in another bonus or something, right? Like... Yeah, Wolfie. What's up, Wolfie? Yeah. I'm not going to go too much further, ladies and gentlemen. Well, if you want to know, this is the new Buffalo Lightning link. It's good looking. Super Grand Chance one, too. That's probably why it's stingy. Come on, baby. Pop it. Pop it, pop it. Pop it and drop it. Yeah, I'm going to pull it. All right, well, we got a really cool bonus out of it. Like a nice long bonus. That was nice, but not much to show for it, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to cash that out. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the new one. There it is. Buffalo Lightning Link Super Grand Chance, 85,000. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to stay notified. Like, comment, follow, and share. And I'll have some more videos for you soon. Thank you. What's up, guys? AGS Platinum here from the Palazzo, Las Vegas, Nevada. I am sitting here at this new AGS Platinum 8x8x8x with some serious progressives. Same thing as Gold Inferno. And what was that other one? What is it? Mega Diamond. There it is. Same exact concept, except with some different things. Trying to hit these progressives. Wait till you see this. Let's spin. Let's win. This board, guys. Look at that. That's a beauty. Look at this. They added some 8x stuff to this, so this is going to get crazy. All right. We are going to be doing 18 a spin. Let's spin it. Where is the... There it is. Now we're ready. $260 comes out. $8x are on all of the symbols, I guess, too, huh? Or no, just a couple of them. Middle it. There you go. So that's going to be an 8x any bar there on top. That's pretty cool. All right, all right. That's pretty cool. 260 bucks. Oh, but blue 7s are fine. No, purples are 1400. All right, we're nothing. Oh, that's a 64 timer. Oh, well, they don't match, but. Oh. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Did you see the potential there? That was any 7 64X both ways. What does that even pay? Oh, no, don't do it. $130. Beautiful. Blues are nice. I'm good, dear. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. There you go. $62. Hey, 8x. That's nice. Look at that. 288. Nice hit ahead there. Fun game. Can't deny it. $4 there, single bars. Just realized that. That's good. Nice, good stuff. The double bar screwed it up. lot of big symbols missing here, so we're gonna pull them walk. Too many big misses here happening. Nah, forget it. We're pulling it. 416, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to say notify. Like, comment, follow, and share. And then we'll have some more videos for you soon. Thank you all.